clever lines, hold your easy rhymes, silence everything, silence always wins. It's a perfect alibi, there's no need to analyze. It will be alright through the longest night. Just silence everything. But we could live by the foot of the mountain. We could clear us a yard in the back, build a home by the foot of the mountain. We could stay there and never come back. Learn from my mistake, leave what others take, speak when spoken to, and do what others do. Silence